In today's video, I will be pranking one of my clients, making it seem like I farted in front of him. I am a Texas barber that goes by the name of Curly Chops, and this is my first YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Damn, bro. My fault, bro. It's cool. Sure. My fault, bro. It's alright. Damn, bro. Shit, my fault.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.